Hey guys, it's Max Convexity here. These option strategy funds for Defiance are having a badass day today. Let's do a noon update and see where the market is in relation to these funds option strategies. First, let's start with the Russell 2000. That's the chart that's up here right now. Russell 2000 has is the options that IWMY sells. The IWMY managers sold options at this strike level right here, 1950. So this profit box is represented where the market needs to end up at or above for the managers to make a profit. And as you can see right now, we're well above it. So that's a full profit for the managers if the market closed right now. Now, of course, there's still a few hours left. We shall see. See, they sold 493 options at the 1950 strike for $13. So 13 less 1950 is 1936.67 if you factor in the change. So they're looking for, that's the profit box right there between 1936 and 1950. Anyway, right now they're trading at 1973, well above the profit box. So that means they were going for 657,000. That's the total amount of the contracts they sold. If they expire worthless, that'll be their profit. And like I say, there's still a few hours left, but right now they would have a full profit, which would be really badass because these guys need it. These guys really need it. They've had a bad start to the month. All right, so JEPY. Let's look at the JEPY is the fund that trades SPX options. All right, so here's their profit box. Open way above, came and dipped back into it for a second, and now it's out of it. So right now they should be at a full profit. Let's see if the spreadsheet agrees with our assessment. Yes, the spreadsheet says that they're going for 332,000. That's the total amount of the options sold, and that's what they will realize if those options expire worthless. And right now, they are on their way to expiring worthless. So that's why it's showing up 332,000. The current price is 48.49, and they sold the 48.45 strike level. So as long as it's above 48.45, they get full profit. And as long as it doesn't fall less than 48.320, they get some profit. And of course, that's just the price they receive for the options minus the strike price. That makes the minimum profit or the break-even level. So we're looking for somewhere at least 48.30 and preferably 48.45 or above. All right, now let's check in on the QQQYs. These guys trade NDX options. The NASDAQ is their underlying. All right, so these guys are not in a full profit situation right now. They opened in a full profit situation, but they're back inside the box, and just by the looks of it, I would say they probably have partial profit right now at this time. The spreadsheet updates 15 minutes behind, so we shall see. Oh yeah, here it is. So let's see. So they're showing strike price of 17,350. So that's where their max profit is. They received $82, so 82 less 17,350 is that number. So right now the market is at 17,338, or 15 minutes ago it was at that. The last time the spreadsheet pulled prices, it was at that price. So 338 is just a little bit less than 350. So the difference is this $11 points in the money amount. So that we have to take that off their max profit. And right now it's showing that it's almost max profit, $1.3 million versus $1.1 million. You know, it's $200,000 less than max profit, but it's still a good profit. We shall see. The day is early. I'll be back at the end of the day, and we'll update all these, and we'll give a final tally and see how we came out for the day. Hopefully it'll be a 3 out of 3 winner day. We really need to finish strong since these funds started off kind of slow. Now, JEPY and QQQY are doing all right. I mean, QQQY is up 20 cents. That's not great. JEPY also has a small monthly profit right now, I believe, about 20 cents. You know, so we'll see. But hopefully we finish the month off strong. And I don't know what's going to happen with IWMY. They're so far underwater. Even if they make today's full profit, they're still 61 cents underwater on an earnings per share basis. So it ought to be interesting to see what they do. Who knows? Hopefully we'll finish, maybe we'll finish stronger, and somehow by some miracle this IWMY will at least get back to even by the end of the month. I mean, it'd be hard to believe they're making 13 cents a day when they make money, so it's possible. If they win the rest of the days and make 13 cents a day, it's possible they could be back to even. All right, guys, have a good one, and I'll talk to you at the end of the day. Thank you very much.